If I didn't make this hair myself, I won't believe it's crochet. Because excuse me, what is this beauty? I'm going to show you how to create the illusion hairline. Do keep on watching. Hi my favorites, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here today. We're going to be trying out this hair from Better Length. This is the new Feather Crochet in Kinky texture. I'm definitely going to leave more details on the screen, and if you want to grab this, the direct link will be in the description box. Do check it out. This might as well be the easiest tutorial you see about making this kind of crochet. I am going to show you how to make your life easy making use of this crochet, and the first thing is to prep it. If you don't have this tool, arrange it on a table or on a chair. This way it's going to be easy for you to just go ahead and crochet. Next thing to do is to moisturize your hair. You shouldn't make any hairstyle without moisturizing or properly securing your natural hair, and that's what I'm doing right here, applying leave-in conditioner, hair butter, and then hair oil. This way your hair is well secured under that protective style. I met someone who helped me cornrow my hair. I just showed the person the pattern I wanted and she helped me. Of course, you can take screenshots of this one and try it. Trust me, you don't need anything complicated. Now to the fun part, we're going to be crocheting the hair to our hair or to our cornrow. I'm using this technique and it's super easy. Pass your crochet pin through the cornrow and pass only one into the loop. It's as simple as that. As I said, this video is so explanatory. You can save it, you can share it to someone who likes crochet, and you can also reference back to this whenever you want to try this hairstyle. I promise you, this is such a good protective style because it's super lightweight. You won't even know you're carrying something, and you can carry this style for up to 2 to 3 weeks. The older it gets, the better, and due to the fact this is human hair extension, all you need to do is maintain it with water, mousse, and leave-in conditioner, or water and leave-in conditioner. You really don't have to do too much. And right now we're done with the back, and I'm going to be showing you how I do the front. And this is the interesting part. For the illusion hairline, this is how we're going to do it. You pass your crochet pin from the front of the cornrow to the middle part or to the middle point. Pass one side of the crochet to the front and then pass the one at the back, crochet it towards the front. This is so explanatory. Even without me explaining, you can understand what I'm doing. This way, when you pass the hair back, it basically looks better than the regular way of crocheting your hair. Just calm down, everything will make sense. If you didn't understand the first one, trust me, I did a lot more. Do keep on watching and you're going to understand it. If you don't still, let me know in the comment section. Can you see what it's looking like right now? And then what we're going to do is that we're going to fill in those gaps with the regular way of crocheting the hair. The same way we crochet the back and the middle, we will continue that way. Would you believe me if I told you this hair took me up to or less than 1 hour? For the amazing results, that's literally a little amount of time to get the hair done. To make it look even more like my natural hair, I go ahead to lay my edges. That's what I'm doing right here. I can't do a hairstyle like this without laying my edges. I can't. Next thing, I'm going to be showing you how to define your curls and how to make it look more juicy and more natural and more natural hair like. First things first, you have to section it out because you can't do everything at once. If you have long natural hair, you should know how to do this already, and if you don't, let me show you how to do it. Apply water on it generously. Don't be stingy with the water, and then you pass your hands through it, your fingers through it to detangle, and then you go in with the leave-in conditioner or your mousse. But if you want something soft and silky, yeah, go for the leave-in conditioner. And you can go ahead to make use of a strong brush to detangle the hair. Can you see how it's looking right now? It looks more like natural hair. Another important part to make this look more realistic is to face frame. This is just cutting it to suit my face and to have more, depth, to have more vibe. You get me? And the hair came out super full, and boy, I love the fringe of this style. It looks so good. Okay, so I went ahead to do my makeup on camera, just a little something. Of course you can rock the hair without makeup. And here is the final look. I am in love with this style. I've recently been liking crochet so much because it's so versatile and you can style this in multiple ways, which I'm going to show you in this video, or that's what I'm showing you already. Leave a comment for me. Tell me which one is your favorite one. Is this style 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? I think. Let me know. Hey favorites, so these styles are super simple. You can try them. Thank you so much for watching my video till this point. I really appreciate you and I love you so much. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.